Microsoft delivered fantastic news for Nvidia stock and AMD stock investors and all AI stock investors, if I wanted to be more precise. I'm going to share with you the details and why it's such great news for all the AI stock investors. And of course, since Nvidia and AMD are two of the biggest beneficiaries, it's certainly great news for these two AI stocks to be sure. So Bloomberg reported that Microsoft data center crunch will continue for longer than the company has previously outlined, underscoring the software giant's struggles to keep up with cloud demand. And I've been reporting on this for over a year and a half, closer to 2.5 years now, ever since the launch of ChatGPT. Demand for artificial intelligence computing power exceeds supply, right? Demand exceeds supply. You'd love to be in that situation as a business owner, as an investor. You like the companies that you're investing in to have demand that exceeds supply. And that's been the case with data center demand from companies like OpenAI and others that want to build these large language models and use the data center computing power to develop, train, and inference and create the inference for all the computing that's required. Remember, when you do a search on a large language model, that demand for power is much more than if you were to search on a traditional search engine like Google. And so, with all this change in consumer behavior shifting to large language models and all the training that's happening on large language models and all the other AI use cases, demand is absolutely insane. And companies, Microsoft is not the only one. Amazon, Alphabet, they have their own cloud computing segments, and they've been reporting back to investors that they too have demand that exceeds supply. And so Microsoft, again, highlighting this fact that still here, almost towards the end of 2025, where these companies have spent hundreds of billions of dollars adding more capacity, adding more data centers, and still demand exceeds supply. It's truly remarkable, the insatiable demand for artificial intelligence.
Click the link below to watch the full video.